All right, chat. Look, we're back, man. What's good? Welcome back, chat. How's everyone doing? What's good? What's good? What's good? Let me change this. Right, I need to find some new music. I swear to God, I need to find a new playlist. Anyone knows a copyright-free playlist? Hit me up. But what's good, everyone? How we all doing, man? What's good, Kata? What's good, Levi, Rays, Matt, High Life? Who else is here, man? RZ, Kashi, what's good? Welcome. Bean, what's good? Chat, we're back for NY session, man. It's an exciting time to be alive. Listen, let's do a breakdown real quick. I'm not taking anything until this 30-minute close at least. Nah, fuck that. Listen, daily time frame, no top wick really, but you did close no top wick on the previous, which is interesting. Weekly, obviously you close with a top wick. You've now come down, grabbed enough liquidity, maybe to continue all the way back up. Daily, same shit. 4 hour has closed. After rejecting the flip, you now came down, grabbed a little bit more liquidity. Not much more liquidity though. Grabbed a little bit more liquidity. I would have expected you need to break these lows again if you were going to rip up. But that being said, right, this could be the move. Who knows? So 1 hour, all we need. Closure above. Where is it? I hate this little area here to the left. It's so difficult. So difficult. I don't like that at all. But that being said, right, if you can close above, to be honest, it's difficult here. It's difficult, I'm not gonna lie. Let's start with sells. You've got essentially a choppy range until you get down to 27.29, and below there you've got some room to come down for sells. For buys, we're gonna actually look somewhere up here. Let's look at exactly 27.35. I think is probably a decent level. Unless you look on the 30, then you can probably take a look at somewhere a little bit lower down. We go back to our previous markings actually. Let me just check what we had. Where were we? Right here. Yeah, I mean technically, look, you've got room on the 1 hour to push up here, but I just don't want to be taking buys in this little choppy area here because it's not really what I'm looking for, if I'm honest. It's just I don't want to get caught in these rejections. I mean, technically, you could be break even, but nah, we're going to wait here. We're going to say that our level actually is 27.35 to close above there. I'm just going to take this off right now. I think that's the middle of your range. Yeah, 27.35 is going to be where we're looking for buys, to be honest. Once you can close above there, you should be good to continue up, realistically. And then, obviously, in terms of a target, we'll look at 27.38 as our first target. But again, you should continue up after that towards that daily flip if you are going to push. Now sells, like we said, anything below this 27.29 area here is valid for me. That takes you down to, as a minimum, 27.25, but I think actually looking at it, you've probably got room to come down a lot further, but we'll keep that as our initial area. And yeah, that's essentially the analysis for today, chat. Very simple, but again, I want to see how we react after we close above here, because you've got many rejection levels right here at 27.35. Strong level, so we'll wait till we get past that first. And yeah, but listen, chat, we caught a dub earlier on London, so congrats if you took that with us. Let's stay locked in, stay focused up, and hopefully we can catch another one today on NY. But that's it, man. Hopefully it gives us a nice price action today. There's no news on gold or US dollar, sorry, today, which is good. Really good, but obviously that might come with a little bit less volume. Also, because you do have the time zone difference, I believe we just had comics open about 5 minutes ago. Am I right? Yeah, I must be. Then obviously you got NYSE open in about an hour's time. It's a little bit of an earlier stream than usual, but yeah, I reckon there's a lot of potential here today. Shit. Good OTP. All right. Look, so the move realistically here is you got the 4 hour close in about 33 minutes. We're going to wait till the 4 hour close and then we'll wait for probably the next hour after that. But if we don't get anything, then look, I'm happy to call it a day until PM session. I will trade later on in the day. I probably want to just see what this 4 hour does and then, you know, reevaluate from there. Good Casey. Welcome, man. But every time I see your picture, I think of Casey Neistat. I don't know why. The sunglasses and the fact your name's Casey gets me every time. What's good, Zulu? Good, what's good, what's good? Oh. Okay, chat, look, you're pushing down here. Interesting. Very, very interesting. What are we going to do here? I'm not gonna lie, these sells on the 30-minute here were actually quite clean, but you did come back up and close bullish. So, yeah. I mean, look. All about patience right now. The 4-hour is technically reflipped, right? You did close bullish as well after a reflip. All I would need actually for the 4-hour close, sorry, now just to do the analysis on the 4-hour as well. You probably only need something above 27.33. I think that's probably what you need. You don't really need much more than that. If you can close above there, I can see why you're not going to continue up here. But again, we'll see what we do here, chat, because it's a bit indecisive in this range. Anywhere between sort of 27.38 and 27.19. It's just like one range, right? And you have faked out of it now, technically. So, you want it so much, it's crazy. Yeah, we should essentially be alright here, as long as you do get a closure above there. Actually doesn't look too bad on the 1 either, but it's actually not the correct level on the 1. But, if we are just strictly looking at the 4, 27.39 is a good target, 27.33.5 is good for buys above. Below, depending on how you close here on the 1 hour, yeah, if you close bearish, you could probably take some sells on the 4 hour to come down, but it would have to be a convincing closure for me. It can't just be like a doji closure. I think what we're doing here, chat, is we are getting ready to reject to come back up. What I would say. Oh. Yo, the yawn plays out in full effect. Right. 30-minute close here, chat, in about 20 seconds. I want to see what we do here. Currently in a trade to buy gold. Should I hold? Starting to look a bit sketchy. You in profit or drawdown or what? I don't think it looks sketchy, to be fair. I think you might be alright. As long as you stop to somewhere below here, you should be fine. Minute closed, I guess technically below, but also not really. Bottom wick first is not bad. Bottom wick first is interesting, actually. If your level's down here, right, you'd actually be looking at buys right now. My level is not down there. Trend lines FX. Right. Where's my indicator gone? Draw down slightly. I think you should be good, bro, especially if it's 30 flips. When did you take trade? I missed. Took it in London session, bro. Good, Wiley. Welcome, though. What are you guys training today? What are you guys training, man? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie as well. I kind of want to have a rest day, but I also want to hit the gym, so I don't know what to do. You guys ever get that feeling? Left side? Training left side, yeah, that's huge. One of my favorite days left. Right is good too, though. I quite like training right. But left is probably a little bit better. I love that concept. It's such a good idea. I would love to see someone train like one day left, one day right. Looks so good. Back and chest is crazy, yeah. Head smash. Yeah, I trained back yesterday and I trained chest the day before, so technically it's leg day, right? But I want to train legs, chat? Not really. You know what I mean? I'm not really trying to train legs, so we'll see. I probably actually will go and train legs. We'll see though. I'll go for a run, but it's fucking dry outside. Yeah, I just called the people from my apartment that I was looking at. Someone took it. I'm pissed. Bro, I'm so pissed. Someone took it. I was literally like, oh, come see it. I want to put an offer in. They're like, sorry, someone's just taken it. How sad. Look at this place. Wait. This place would have been so nice. In this house. Holy. But alas, 'twas not to be. Which country? Still UK. IPR on bench today, feel good? Yeah, run it. Run it, Levi. I feel like that's a fire apartment. What do you guys think? Okay, look, so 4 minutes, or not 4 minutes, 4-hour closure here in 26 minutes. How are we going to close? Are we going to close bullish, bearish, or what? I think, to be honest, either way, you should be good to get some positions here. There's a lot of potential today. You know, you should be good as long as you do have some form of... Look at this. So the 1 hour flipped, which is good. If this 1 hour can flip and close below, even below 27.31, right? That's going to be very, very nice to take on the 4 hour close. 30-minute pushing down, 5-minute. Back close, no bottom wick. Interesting. Oh, some volume as well, which is good. Good stuff. I like the time changes. No, I hate this. It's not the nicest. But I guess raise for you. You get NYSE open an hour earlier, right? Yeah. I hear that. It's actually not too bad, but I just don't like it for NY. It's good for London, to be fair. Get me confused. Wait, but you're in the US, so you're chilling. Rentor, shit's the same for you. Right? There's no change. Oh yeah, stream's an hour later. Yeah, true. Oh, yeah, I didn't even think about that. You're right. Stream is like an hour later. Interesting. Chat, look, we're setting up here. This could be clean. This could be clean. A nice little bearish closure here. Show that we've made another higher low, or lower high, sorry. I'm saying the wrong way around. Look at that. It went forward, one out. Yeah, technically. That's not true. They didn't go forward an hour. They stayed the same. Anyway, doesn't matter. Look. Yeah. realistically, like I said, anywhere below 27.31, I think, are good to drive down. Well, I don't even know. You're just insane. Just waffling right now. Yeah, you've used the Eugene tactic there of putting a command in to try and get out of trouble. Wow. The rejections chat. Look, we're just forming a range here. This is the tough thing that you have to also keep in mind right now. Look, like you've got essentially between 27.35 and 27.28. You have a range here, right? What that means is, so you break out of this area on the smaller time frames, you're in a bit of trouble here. You know, you're in a little bit of trouble because it's going to be very difficult to trade that until you do get out. You probably want to wait until either you want to sell the top of the range, buy the bottom of the range, or you want to wait until we close outside. Either one. But you just don't want to be trading in the middle of that range or trying to take sells towards the bottom. I do think though, like if you can cement a good bearish closure here, you should be good to continue down. I don't see why you wouldn't. Yeah, man, but look, I kind of just zoned out there, to be honest, I'm not gonna lie. But look, so we are rejecting again. So on the lower time frame, you do have some essentially some structure pushing up this way towards the bullish side. But on the overall for the day, we are still continuing down a little bit further in terms of where our structure goes. So we need to pick a direction here. Realistically, normally COMEX does that. It hasn't done it today though. So it might be the 4-hour close that tells us our direction, or it's going to be NYSE. But yeah, until we get to those points, which is in like, you know, 20 minutes and then 30 minutes after that. Once there's no direction, there's not much you can do here. You just have to sit and wait. Have to sit and wait, man. I wonder though, if anyone caught this no bottom wick here, we were in buys at this point, right? We were in, sorry, sells towards this point. If you caught the buy, you can hold that shit forever, I think. That might be the daily low. I mean, this is the daily low, right? But that might be the low for us to come back up. Five-minute closed here, bullish. Next 5 came up top wick first. Sort of respecting, right? Which is interesting. Again, that might be the low that you've made to continue back up. So, like we said, right? If the 4-hour and the 1-hour can close above this 27.33 level, realistically, I don't see why you wouldn't continue up here, as long as you can close somewhere within this range. But yeah, obviously those confirmations are going to be very, very key. Very key. I swear you guys are so locked in, eh? So locked in. It's like brief periods where you guys go silent and then you'll have like some next level brain rot the next hour or so. It's funny. I noticed it. Bought around 30 seconds. What? Oh, around the 30s, my bad. But it doesn't show any healthy movement, so I closed. Yeah, that makes sense, bro. Makes sense. It's literally not, yeah, there's no clean movement here, really. That's 4-hour candles are dog shit. Yeah, they are. They actually are, you're right. I mean, if this candle didn't rip up no bottom wick, then we would have been okay, but it did. This closure hopefully will be a bit better. We got 15 minutes till the close. As long as you can see some direction, we should be good, especially if you start to make a new high here, then you're pretty certain you're going to continue up, right? Ooh. Yeah, I just kind of realized that, like, a lot of traders overcomplicate this shit. All you have to do is just sit and wait for there's something that you like the look of, and obviously that fits your strategy and fits your entry criteria. Like, so many people will be sat here like, oh, I think it's going to do this, I think we can tap this level, I think we can do that. Bro, just chill, just wait. Like, you know, you're not going to essentially get anything valuable out of trading when it looks like this on the chart. When it looks like this, where it's ranging or making, you know, a grim structure on the 5-minute or doing whatever, you're not going to get any value out of that. So just wait for a breakout, wait for something that indicates, you know, direction from price. Once you have that, you can take your positions, but just until we have that, I can't do anything here. Obviously, we're looking to push up now, which is great as I start speaking. So if we do get some closures here, then good. Gold just didn't want me to get the clip here. It wanted me to look like an idiot because I'm saying it's not pushing, and it starts pushing as I say it. What is that? Alright, chat, 40 seconds here till a 15-minute close. As long as you can close... Yeah, as long as you can close bullish here on the 15, you should be good. Bottom wick first should take you back up. And then once you close inside this level or above 27.33 on the 4-hour, you got clean traffic till at least 27.36. Minimum, right? Realistically, you should tap into 27.39 at that point. It gives you like 50 pips of range. Yeah, it's a nice closure on the 15. $27.34.9 on the 1 hour. Yeah, it's like, I think 37.5 is the real level here on the 1 hour. 37.5 is like the most key level for me. But obviously, the way that, you know, I take these strategies and I take this, I take, you know, the time frames is each time frame counteracts the other one. So if you get a 4-hour closure, I'm not too worried about the one. I mean, I'm a little bit, don't get me wrong, but as long as you close there, we can look to manage risk based off whether we push up here and etc, then we should be good. Should be chilling. Yeah, chat, drop a like if you haven't already, by the way. I appreciate it. Really do appreciate that, man. But hopefully we can pick up some volume here. I know it's not the most exciting thing, just sitting and watching. Price not doing too much. But to be fair, obviously you should have the 4-hour close very shortly. That should give you something. If we can come down off the 4-hour, bottom week first, tap into like 27.31.3. Actually quite a key level. Or even to be fair, up here at 27.32, sorry. That's also a good level. If you can close on the 4 hour, tap straight into there, continue back up. We'll be in some buys to continue up, right? Good job, welcome, my bro. I have a question, yeah? Do I get a house or an apartment to move into? I'm feeling a house. I don't know why. I just kind of want my own domain. I could get a nice apartment, like, somewhere on a high floor or whatever and have good views, probably. I feel like a house has got to be the way. Service charges are a bastard. Yeah, true. Got my own house for my 2 kids. If you ain't got a partner or kids, apartment is the way to go. Nah, I've got a missus. Said you wanted to move countries in the future, apartment. Yeah, but it doesn't, like, depending on what I get, I can still sell it, or I might even rent one. And you want to suntan those biceps and traps? Yeah, true. Start young with a house? Yeah, I hear that. Still deciding whether to buy or rent, you know. I think if I buy a house though, like with the UK government at the minute, I'm not too comfortable renting it out. Buy then rent out? Bro. Tax they're putting on landlords at the minute is crazy. But yeah, nah, that is definitely the move. You should never really own the place you live as well. Alright, pushing down here, chat. Are we going to form a dodgy range again? Gold's giving mixed vibes. What's good, Ricky? And what's good, Scotty? Yeah, I mean, look. It's very weird. I don't know why gold is doing this, to be honest. It seems as if we were about to push up and then you started to reject. So we'll see here. This 4 hour closure, like I said, in 10 minutes time is going to be very, very important, right? So we need to stay locked in on that, stay focused. But yeah, you've got 10 minutes to wait here. As long as you can close either bullish or heavily bearish, you should be fine. Expect a big push down after everyone buys. Uh-oh. Yeah, maybe. Here in Canada, it's hard evicting people at your place. Yeah, bro, and in the UK as well, we've got the fucking most abysmal government ever. They're starting to tax everything super heavy. They're weird that everything is at all-time highs. US 30 gold while DXY is bullish. Something's got to give and dump. Yeah. Something will, right? I don't think it will till election. I think we'll range until elections, maybe. We've got like 1 week. Literally 1 week until elections in America. We might actually be able to play the range until then. Turkey government take twice the car money as tax if you buy a new car. Bro, insane. Yeah, I'm a little bit concerned about this country now, but again, it is what it is. I'll fix it. I have to fix it, bro. some point, right? Maybe not. All right, chat, look. 8 minutes here to the 4-hour close. The question is, can we stop being just rangy on gold? To be honest, if we close in the middle of nowhere on the 4-hour, I might actually call it. It'd be super early, but we caught a W earlier, right? But let's see. I mean, look, like I always say, the 4-hour and the 1-hour has been having very strong pushes towards the end of the candle closure, right? So you've been seeing the push on the 4-hour in the last, like, 5 to 10 minutes. So realistically, we might have a little injection of volume right now and have an opportunity to, actually pick a direction. Yeah, so the 1-hour just flipped as well. So interesting. We're really struggling to push up here. I think you might be making a new lower high here. I think you might be doing something like this, right? Come back down. Lower high. Continue. Very, very possible, especially if we close bearish here, chat. You've got room. Only concern for me taking sells right now, unless we're below 31.3. These areas are going to get a little bit tricky. You've got this area here. Got this area here. And also, where was it? I guess this one too, right? You have rejections here as well. So you just need to be a little bit careful depending on where we close. If you close bearish, you probably want to be below those rejection areas, if anything. And also, if we were going to get sells, I would want to see the 4-hour be quite heavily bearish too. Otherwise, it doesn't make much sense. Whoa, what was that? A late push there. Five minutes, chat. Once you break these lows in the hourly, that should give you a little pop downwards too. Now you're going to make a bearish 5-minute closure by the looks of it. You've got 10 seconds till that closes. Probably should push a little bit further down now that we're closing out this little choppiness here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. 5 no bottom wick. Once this flips up, you're going to see a push probably. It's probably just going to bring us straight back into this range. Interesting, chat. Interesting. Yeah, there you go. A little push. So 4 minutes here to the 4-hour close. What are we going to do? Last 4-hour candles look cooked. Yeah, they actually do, bro. This 4-hour candle was interesting because it was like a hammer candle closure almost. You just got nowhere after it. It's very important to distinguish the ranges where you should be looking for a trade and not looking for a trade. This is one of the ones where you should probably not be looking for a trade until we close outside. How many pips is that? Is the 15 gonna flip last minute, chat? That would be very, very interesting. Come to Romania, tax evasion on the next level. Bro, that's what I need. I actually need. No, wait, pause. Government, police. I take it back. I need an. I need a location where there's not much tax. Not tax evasion. They're coming for my assets. Look, 2 minutes here, chat. I can't believe you pushed up like that. That's crazy. Also, look at where we closed our trade from earlier, by the way. Look at the place where I managed my risk here. We closed those cells right there. And look what happened. You just ripped straight up from that point. If you open up, you're done. Oh no. Please. They're going to be like, we got an anonymous report. I'm a German man. Fuck. And I know it was you, Noodles. I can be like, right, when I'm out of prison, I come to Germany, get a rolling pin and just go to town. At 1 minute 41, are we going to close above here or not? That's the question on everyone's mind. Push in. So that 5 no bottom wick really played a big role, eh? 15 minutes flipping here, or looking to flip. 30 minute looks to close bullish. What if we see a no top wick 4 hour here, chat? That would be the ultimate fuck you. A lot of volume coming into the market right now, chat, though. That is insane. What's the move here? Listen, if we close above like this in the 4 hour chat, we should be good. Right, just want to see a big bottom wick down, tapping into level here at 27.32. It gives you like 45 pip stops. It's not bad. Let's see here, chat. Start to lock it in. Focus up here. This is actually looking good for once. 20 seconds. Can we get a bottom wick, chat? Can we get a bottom wick? Can we get a bottom wick, please, gold? Oh. Of course it breaks the high first. It just broke the high as well. Holy. The highs first. It loves it. You know, it like almost stopped as well. Like, oh, am I gonna do it? Oh, oh. And then just like, yeah, I'm gonna break the highs and then rip down. A lot of volume right now, though, chat. What I want to see now is I want to see like a bottom wick tapping 27.32-ish. Then I want to see a closure back above, or at least some form of bullish closure. Otherwise, this could just rip all the way down now, chat. I'm not saying it will, but it could do, right? You can see a mirror of this. You can see an exact mirror of this here. Good thing is also I'm going to be able to go to the gym earlier. With this time zone change for a little bit. It is reacting quite a bit as it pushes down. What are we going to do here? Not a bad 4-hour bottom wick, but not good either. It's like 15 pips, sorry. Struggling here. We're kind of in the middle of nowhere. Will it push up here? Thing is, because we took the highs, I don't really like this now. You did take the highs first. I don't really like this too much now. Your advantage point got a lot smaller too. Your advantage point is now like 12 pips. It's not ideal. Let's see if we can come a little bit further down here first, at least. But look at these reactions, right? You've been essentially tapping into these areas over and over and over. You should expect to push up if you're grabbing that much liquidity. Let's see though, can we re-rate the lows? Able to re-rate the lows there as well. That's interesting, chat. Good Gandhi, how's it going, bro? Didn't tap my level, but you did come relatively close. I mean, you came like 5 pips off. 1 hour re-flipping now. If you break these highs, it's either going to do one or two things, right? It's going to reject heavily, or it's going to rip. I can't take this now, really. 4-hour advantage point is actually up here somewhere. 27.36. Right, you broke the highs. What do you do here? And you're off. Yeah, I just can't really grab that, chat, to be honest. How long do you commute to the gym? It's actually quite far. It's like 40 minutes. Dude, no, not long. Dude, not long. Good, Scott. How's it going, man? Listen, drop a like if you haven't already. Let's get to 50 likes on today's stream. Appreciate it very much. Look at F now. Look at this. You keep trying to like re-break and then like failing. It's very weird here. Go to the gym, 40-minute ride? Yeah. I do. Dude. Dude, what? Dude. Any traffic there? Nah, because I don't. I go like during when people are working, because I don't work a job, right? I can just go whenever, so no, not normally. Big ups on the new vlog. Congrats on the gym movement, bro. Hey, I appreciate it, Gandhi. That means a lot, man. Listen, yeah, I'm super excited for that. Seriously, super excited. You tapped our advantage point here. Very difficult for me. I don't really know what I can take in this range. I really do not like this range here. The 4-hour was going to reject. I think it'd probably be somewhere here. Obviously, it looks to continue here. If you didn't break that high, all we needed is if you didn't break that high first, we would have been in there. Or if it tapped our level, we might have got a wick entry, right? But we wouldn't have, it didn't actually tap it, which is tough. Yeah, I've actually got some places to view tomorrow for the gym location, which I'm super excited about too. I'm gonna vlog that as well, but yeah, I'm well excited to see them. Chat, this gets tough here. I'm not gonna lie, I might actually end up calling it here. I don't think I've got anything. I don't like buys here. I also don't like sells, right? It's very choppy. To be fair, you could look at some closures above 27.36. Not a bad level to look at too, but then your range is very, very small as well. It's like 20 pips. Yeah, chat. I think I'm done here. It's a very short stream. Actually, it's not too short. It's like pretty much the same as normal. We started earlier as well. But chat, look, like there's literally nothing I can do. I can't take any positions here. I can't grab anything. And I don't want to force a trade either. It's Monday, right? I've already taken a win. Bro, Kata, that's why you say that every single day. I always hear, I'm gonna wait till NYSE, then call it probably. And then like 3-4 p.m. you'll be like, yo, are you seeing this? I'll be like, yeah, I'm seeing it. Nah, it's classic, bro. Every single trader, man. Every single guy that like trades. I'm gonna call it here. And then like 10 minutes later in the Discord, like, yo, it's breaking out right now. Nah, I look at it at the gym too as well. I look at it at the gym too, I can't lie. Yeah, chat, join the GeoGuessr if you want to play. But listen, if you're gonna leave right now, make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you're new. Bro. But like, Mondays are always a bit of a dead day in terms of streams. I don't know if you guys actually no, we had 140 today this morning. Might just be a short, quick GeoGuessr with the gang. Weekend hangover, yeah, I bet. People are busy at work. It's understandable. Right, chat, fuck it. 10 seconds to join the GeoGuessr. If not, I'm starting, I don't care. I'll start with 7 people. Alright, cool. 3, 2, 1. Nice. I can't read that. I guess. Oh, close enough. Bro, Noodle Holtz, what are you doing, man? How are you that close? Yo! Are you seeing this? Move on. Let's move on. Where do they have orange signs? But that's somewhere like this. Oh no, it's here, innit? I guess. Oh! Right. Gandhi. Good guess, man. That's way too close. Funny get, yeah, this guy, man. Yo, this car's got no wheels. Where are you from? Go here. Yes. Oh, I suppose that was an obvious one. Noodle holes again, bro. Noodle holes cleaning up here. Joined up and it didn't let me in the lobby. Oh, tough, bro. Scotty. Hagen. Commercial Gladys. That's insane. Peru. Bondi, bro, what are you doing? That's way too close again, man. Can't be guessing that. Alright, final round. I'm out of this one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I can't even possibly win. Insane. Yo. Glitched. Oh. This looks like Italy, but it's not. Oh wait, I just saw it. Oh shit. Where is it? Is this country, no? Or is it this one? It's Bulgaria. Ah, yes. Come on, what a guess. Bro, I didn't see this. Didn't see the flag until the very last second. That's insane. Yeah, look. We're out of here, man. That's it. That is it from me. Look. Where did I come fourth? Oh fuck. Yeah, she got me. Nothing I can do here, man. We've already filled the range. I can't take any positions right now. 49999. Were you on it? Oh shit. I was gonna say where were you, and it was literally right there. Good stuff. All right, chat. Peace out. I'm gonna go hit the gym. Any trades today, G? Yeah, Gene. We caught some sells this morning in London. Caught some sells, my man. But yeah, nothing for right now. This is too tough here. The chat. I'm gonna go hit the gym. Peace out. See you guys tomorrow. Much love. Bye, man. See you later. Whoa, intermission.